What is your name and organization?
My name is Justin Ross, JUSTINROSS. I'm with Clark County Emergency Management.
And what happened here today?
Well, as you might have known, that we had a large-scale earthquake. This has affected our general area. We have a tsunami warning that's in effect currently. We think that there's going to be a tsunami that's going to make landfall within the next 3 hours.
And how has this affected the community?
Well, we're doing some window evaluations right now. We don't really know exactly what the total amount of damage has been to the community as a whole. We know it's been great. The USGS has said that this earthquake was 8.0, which is very high. So we expect that there will be a lot of reports coming in over a great amount of time of all the different damages that have occurred.
Any preliminary numbers on the total deaths?
Well, we've heard some numbers, but it would be speculation right now for me to give you any hard numbers. We want to make sure we have a confirmation. We need to also try to do what we can to get in touch with the families of the deceased. So until we have that information, I won't be able to release any real numbers. I can say that we know that there's been a lot of devastation, that this just happened a few hours ago. We have a lot of crews out doing search and rescue, and the numbers are going to increase. We won't probably know for a few days, though.
Do you have a message for the people?
The message is that following all earthquakes, there's always going to be aftershocks. So make sure that the building that you're in is a building that's secure, one that hasn't been damaged severely by the earthquake. Stay away from unreinforced buildings. You want to stay away from aerial hazards. And if you're near the coast, you want to move upland. There might be a temptation to go out towards the ocean because the seas are receding. But that's just an indication that there's going to be a big wave that's going to come in. So we want people to get 100 feet or higher above sea level and to hold on. These tsunamis can take many hours to make their way all the way inland and then to make their way back out to sea, so the seas return to the way that they were before. And once again, there could be some more earthquakes. There's also usually a lot of fire hazards that follow earthquakes. So this major one, I'm sure that there are some fires that are burning, although I can't confirm that right now. And the chances are pretty high that there'll be some other ones following the aftershocks. So just be aware of that. Check your natural gas lines. Make sure that you don't have any leaks. Make sure you're not going into any buildings where there are leaks. And do your best to help one another. Thank you.